What's up, y'all? It's your girl in the Poca Loca, and I'm here with Noah and the Butterfly Sisters. Y'all excuse my little Puerto Rican flag up here. Sorry. Had that hanging down. Okay. So, y'all, we at Sonic. And, excuse you. And we got some mozzarella cheese sticks with the marinara sauce. Noah, what you got?
I got a strawberry milkshake, cherry on top. And I went to the gas station earlier and got me some hot fries.
So you got some fried fries. I got some French toast sticks. Y'all, this is a demo video. We're just saying if our car mukbang would work. So we'll see. Okay.
And I got a slushie with nerds.
And she got a slushie with nerds in it. So y'all tell me if this car mukbang sucks. And I already prayed off camera. Because I didn't know we was going to do this.
And there's real nerds inside it.
Oh, look.
Those better than Burger King?
Toilet for my nose.
Way better than mine.
I could cut it and make it into a little toilet.
And India has some tater tots.
Can we throw some
Which she's already eating.
I'm going to do it in a few minutes. Oh my gosh, y'all. The pull on these mozzarella cheese sticks, though.
The pool?
The pull on the mozzarella cheese sticks. Alright, explain your drink, Mimi.
So it's purple and it has nerds in
Let me show.
it. And there's sour nerds.
Did you eat all the nerds out already?
It's like
See the candy right there. You got me.
No. Oh my gosh.
What you got, Indy? She got tater tots.
Mm-hmm. Look at that.
I never saw nothing like that in person. Like, I always saw
it's like
the cheese
slime.
coming out of the commercials and like the pizza. You know how the pizza come up from the whole thing from commercials and stuff. They never do that when you actually have it. Never.
It's doing it now. That joint was good. It's a weird conversation what I have, but I was in the mood for mozzarella cheese sticks. Alright. My drink, I just got water.
I think it says cheers.
Alright, I'm gonna put this up here and get ready for these French toast sticks. Angela, I can't do my mukbang in the car like how you do it, so you need to teach me. So again, y'all, this is just a demo to see if it's gonna work. I do think the camera is a little low though. I probably need to, I don't know, bring it up. Oh my god, I just spilled syrup all over me, y'all. Alright, y'all, so check this out. Y'all, so how's y'all day going? My day is going good. I'm going to do a couple of errands, run my babies to the dentist.
Did you bite off it and then give it to me?
Yes, I did.
She's looking at it like, yeah. You're going by fast.
Mm-hmm.
So much medicine.
Very fast.
So much what?
Alright, y'all.
Man.
And then my
Wait,
pretty
we
little
have
butt
to talk about stuff.
got some tater tots.
Should be extra.
Mommy, I have one.
The tater tot?
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, baby. Alright. I'm gonna finish up my mozzarella cheese sticks. And then I'm gonna let y'all go, and y'all need to tell me how this video looks to y'all. The quality, if I'm eating too close, if I'm too far away.
You gonna post this on IG first?
No. Gotta put it on Instagram. I mean, not Instagram, YouTube.
What? Mommy, Mimi said stupid. It's not a curse word.
It's a beautiful day today, though. Feels good out here.
Alright, last one.
Stupid's not a curse word, guys.
Last one with my marinara dip. No.
Mommy, you can't.
These
I don't have
Sonic's
any more.
mozzarella cheese sticks, bomb.
Can I have
Put it up.
Did they give it to you hot or is regular
toast
temperature?
That's hot.
No.
But sometimes
Do you have any more French toast
it's like
If it was warm, the cheese wouldn't be pulling like that.
No. Mommy. No. Mommy.
Yes, baby. Yes.
He doesn't have any more. Yes, she does. No, she doesn't.
One more.
She does.
Alright, so I'm done with that. I'm done with
This
that,
is actually a good
y'all.
idea for it right there, though.
Huh?
Are we finishing up already?
What'd you say?
That
Okay.
was gonna be like is this a 5-hour mukbang? That was gonna be like a
Does anybody else's kids get extra on camera?
Hmm.
They
I know.
quiet before they get on camera, and as soon as they get on the camera, they be talking. Anybody?
That's me.
I am so taking away.
Yep.
Yummy.
Alright, y'all. That is it. I'm full.
But
Yep.
don't
Alright, y'all. I'm full.
I'm not.
Be sure to tell me how the video quality is once y'all watch this. We love y'all so much. Hope you have a blessed day. Hope you have a fun day today because it's nice outside. Talk to you later. Bye.